Cumbria County Council has announced its gain of £1.6 million from central government to trial an experimental new material in road surfacing. The council say that they are happy that the funding they would not have got otherwise will go towards maintaining the region's highways.
For about the last 2 years we've been trialling the use of a plastic additive that goes into the binder that goes into new tarmac, effectively new asphalt. Instead of using crude oil effectively, it's using end-of-use plastic that can no longer be recycled into anything else useful. That gets recycled into a product that goes into the asphalt, into the road surface. So far we've used the product at 5 different locations. This means we can do more of those locations in more parts of the county. We'll use it for smaller pieces of work as well. When the public reports a pothole to us and we go out and fill a very small area of pothole and a small patch on the road, we're going to use it for that as well. Really test how this stuff works and hopefully be able to conclude that it really does work.
But they also say that the real benefit goes far beyond fixing a few holes in the street.
It's great in my job that I get some more money to fill potholes and fix roads. That's great. But the real benefit is if this works, we've got the ability to offset massive volumes of plastic that otherwise is going to landfill. We've all seen the TV programmes, it's filling up the oceans. To give people a sense of the kind of volumes we're talking about, so far we've resurfaced probably about 1 kilometre of road in total using this material, and that has offset the equivalent of nearly 6.5 million single-use carrier bags. If we can prove this works, then I suppose the question is how much plastic would we be offsetting if we were resurfacing mile after mile of our roads with this product?
They say that Cumbria could potentially become a world leader in the field if the material is found to be a success and be an asset to the world more generally.
Plastic from industry in Cumbria that gets reprocessed into this material and put into our roads, so that's great for Cumbria. But I think our aspiration is that it's much bigger than this. This could be of national significance, which is why the Department for Transport have funded it, but actually it could be of international significance. That's why we've been so keen to work with partners right around the world, in Australia and the US, because if this works, this could be good, let's be honest, for all of us.
For the residents of Cumbria though, the matter is more straightforward.
Well, if it does the job, I'll be fine about it, yeah.
That is quite good because we've got to care about the environment, and it's good like some funding's actually going to the council.
Well, great if it works, but at the moment a lot of the stuff that they use just comes out as soon as they put it in. So if it stays in and it's environmentally friendly, then great.
According to the council, the news of the funding is something everyone in the region can be proud of.
There are 8 councils across the country that have been selected. Really proud to say we're the only one in the north that has been successful, which is great news. We like to think we're at the forefront of the north, and in fact the forefront of innovation in our industry right across the country. So it's brilliant news for Cumbria. It's the company that have developed this product is Carlisle based. It's just another demonstration of some of the real cutting edge, innovative, creative thinking we've got in this county. Not only do we have a fantastic landscape and a beautiful place to live, but we've actually got some incredibly creative people that live here.
Whether the trials are a groundbreaking success remains to be seen, but it's difficult to find a Cumbrian who isn't a tad pleased to hear that the roads they drive on are to be made that little bit smoother. Ciara McFadgen, That's TV.